Hi, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Hi, I'm Sunita from Yummy Bites. September 8th. Every year, we Catholics celebrate the birthday of a Blessed Virgin Mary, the Nativity Feast of the Blessed Virgin Mary, which is also called as Monti Fest. We celebrate this feast with the utmost devotion. Churches are holding special masses on this auspicious day. So, on this beautiful day, we prepare special food also called as Novem Jevon. Novem Jevon basically means blessing of the new harvest, that is grains of the paddy field. So, I've created a small video. Wanted to show you all how we celebrate Monti Fest in our house, how Novem Jevon I prepare for my family, how we all entire family sit together and enjoy this feast. First thing in the morning, we all are getting ready to go to church. After the mass was over, the newly grown paddy corn was distributed to the parishioners. So the mass got over by 10 o'clock and we reached home by 10:30. And the first thing I started doing is cook as fast as I can because there were a lot of dishes I had to prepare. So traditionally, Novem Jevon has a certain set of food or a menu created like boiled rice, bitter gourd vegetable, lady finger with hog plums, Tendli vegetable with cashew nuts, cucumber karam or cucumber salad or aloo dent. But I have created a little bit of different menu. I prefer to make or prepare something which my family loves to eat and keep it in a traditional way, like preparing more of vegetarian. And you'll be surprised to know we prepare food in odd numbers. Means whatever you're going to keep, it should be odd numbers. So I created a menu well in advance what all dishes I'll be preparing. I had soaked the black chana well in advance or one day prior. So next day I can just prepare it in the pressure cooker and it cooks very faster. Then I had also decided to cook rice, which is normal, then salad, and for the curry I prepared fish curry because in my in-laws side we prepare fish curry, but in my parents side we prepare completely vegetarian meal. For the vegetable also I made turai sabzi, that is rigged ground. And also for the kheer, I made vermicelli kheer. Then I kept pickle and papad also as a side dish. The first thing, I kept rice and black chana separately in two different pressure cookers so it cooks much faster. Next, I started chopping and cooking preparation for vegetable turai sabji. Side by side, I was also preparing fish curry. Then I kept milk for boiling for preparing vermicelli kheer. The last I prepared is lady finger or bhindi fry, and the Novem Jevon is ready. So I prepared black chana Sukkha, fish curry, Bhendi fry or lady finger fry, salad, turai sabji, boiled rice and vermicelli kheer. Finally, all food cooked, everything done. Now serving time. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.